On today's video, I'll be showing you this Celine handbag. So this is the Celine buckle top handle bag. So you can see it has the buckle here on the front. And let me just tell you, for starters, this bag is not stuffed right now and it's pretty heavy. Moving on, it has the buckle here on the front. You prop this up and you will get inside the bag. It does come with the dust bag, and obviously the opening is really wide. It also has a zipper pocket here in the back. That's the only compartment that it has. The interior is black and it is suede. So it has no zippers, but this buckle, it also has the clasp here, so you can just button it towards here at the bottom for closure. So it is green leather all around with white stitching. It looks like it's a vintage bag. The handles are really long on here, so it can be worn as a shoulder bag. Find this handbag on our website at DallasDesignerHandbags.com. This is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.